Hey Sony fans, I recently got my a7 IV, and while I typically don't do unboxing videos because I don't really see the appeal in them, however, I can understand it from the perspective of someone living vicariously through these videos until they get their own, or perhaps it's someone looking to pick up a used one or in a like new condition, perhaps open box, and they would like to verify the contents as well as how it was shipped. So without further ado, so here's the top of the box. I'm guessing the back. On the side here will be the serial number, A7 IV on the right side, and some printing material on the bottom. So I did elect to get the version with the kit zoom lens just because I didn't want to wait a long time for this. And I figured the zoom lens does have OSS, which I'll put to good use on my A6400. Now, as soon as you open it, there is this small little packet here. Feels like a cable. So that's correct. Within the white packet is a USB-C charging cable. It's one flap here, another flap down here with the instruction manual, quick start, etc., etc. Then there's another flap here. Within is a strap, the A7 IV itself that's packaged in this white cloth-like material. Set it aside for a second. Then if you purchase the kit version, it is the 28 to 70 lens on the right side. And then last but not least, there's these two small little packets, of which one is the, I'm assuming it's the battery, and that's correct. So this is the battery. Set this on the side. And then last but not least, in this smaller packet is what feels like a USB charger. Yep, verified. Okay, so that was pretty much it in a nutshell. And then the A7 IV does come packaged, like I said, in this kind of cloth-like, white cloth-like material with the lens cap mounted. And I don't know if it matters or not, but the screen is actually flipped out by default. Put that on the side for a second. And then last but not least, the lens comes shipped this way with the hood protected by another cloth felt-like material between itself and the lens. All right, that's pretty much it. So if you're waiting for yours, or if you just want to know how the A7 IV comes packaged, there you go. Thanks for dropping by.